Alright, so good morning everyone. So for today's video, ang gagawin natin is knot tying, no? So there are 3 knot tying na ituturo ko sa inyo ngayong araw. First is Siberian, second is tension, the third one is adjustable hitch knot. Okay, so first one muna tayo. But first, we need a rope. Okay? So ang lubid na tinatawag, ang ginagamit natin dito specifically para sa mountaineering is what we call paracord. Okay? So itong paracord, ito yung ating laging gagamitin, no, para dito sa ating tent pitching. So first, alamin muna natin yung unang knot tying, Siberian hitch knot. Okay? So first, determine muna natin yung base at running end. Lagi nating tatandaan na ang running end is mas maikli kumpara dito sa base natin. For example, yung nasa right natin is what we call running end and the other side is the base. Okay? So now, alam na natin yun, i-loop na natin siya dito sa pinaka pagtatalian natin. Okay? So first knot tying is Siberian hitch knot. Okay? So as you can see, magkaiba sila. Again, this is the running end and this is the base. So loop lang tayo ng isang loop. Make sure lang makapag-create ng small circle under, and after that, create ng another loop. Then insert doon sa pinaka circle na ginawa natin. Then ang hatak ay papunta sa atin. And after that, konting tension and release. Then higit palayo. Okay? So as you can see, meron na tayong first knot is what we call Siberian hitch knot. Okay? And isa sa mga application na nilalagay natin dito is what we call quick release, no? So kapag hinatak natin tong running end, madali natin siyang madidismantle or matatanggal. Okay?